Okay, push the button once. What's it doing? The little igniter valve on the side makes a lot of noise. I'm not sure what that's about. But it's really loud. Does it? I'm wondering if it goes off. I'm not sure why that little igniter valve there would stay on. Extremely loud. And it seems like it takes gas away from the unit. Is it supposed to go off? It's so loud. I don't know why it would stay on like that. Maybe you gotta figure out a reason that, because it's extremely loud. The owner's already commented about it. So help me out, guys. Here's a better picture of it. The whole unit. But it's really loud.